units, and tens. Hello! Today you're going to be Robbie the baker's assistant. Robbie makes amazing donuts, and he sells them in 2 different ways. Separately, by unit, 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, or in groups of 10. The groups of 10 are called tens. Unit, 10. Let's see if you're ready to start. Select the unit of donuts. Now select the 10 of donuts. Now you're ready to start selling donuts. Max wants 5 donuts. Put the number of donuts Max wants on the tray. One unit, 2 units, 3 units, 4 units, 5 units. Max has ordered 5 units of donuts. Let's find out how many donuts Amy wants. She wants 10. A 10 of donuts. Put the number of donuts Amy wants on the tray. Amy has ordered 10 donuts. A 10 of donuts. Let's keep selling. Oops, we've run out of boxes of 10. Help the baker make one. Select 10 donuts to make a 10 of donuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect! 10 donuts make a 10 of donuts. Donuts aren't the only things that come in tens. You can have a 10 of anything. A 10 of cans. A 10 of pastries. A 10 of balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Even a 10 of cubes. What would happen if we broke up this rod of cubes? How many separate cubes would we have?
Fantastic!
A 10 is made up of 10 units. Let's put the rod of 10 cubes back together. Press this button to place the cubes on the tray. Great job! This rod is a 10 of cubes, and this separate cube is a unit. Thanks for all your help.